In this video, I will be walking you through the process of adding products to your Cartmazing store. So the first thing that you need to do is to sign into your account. One of the quickest ways to sign into your account, if you signed up with your mobile phone number and verified it, is to simply, where it says email or phone number, you can enter your phone number there. So you enter your phone number, and instead of clicking the regular login button, you select login with OTP. OTP stands for one-time password. And what it will do is send an SMS code to your phone. Sometimes it may ask you to do a quick verification, but it sends an SMS code to your phone. Once you are able to input that code correctly, you are automatically logged into your account. So I just got my code. Nice, and I am now logged in. You want to navigate to your vendor dashboard. So on your My Account page, you can click this button that says Go to Vendor Dashboard, or you could click the dashboard button right here. Either one will take you to your vendor dashboard. To add your first product, you want to go to Products, and you want to click Add New Product. So we're at Products and we're clicking on Add New Product. Alright, so you need to give your product a name. You want to enter a name for your product. So I have my product information actually here already written up. I'm just going to copy and paste it in. So that's the name of my product. My product price, well, the product price is $1,000, but I will be selling it for $800, giving a $200 discount. I will need to add a product image. So I add my first product image. And your first product image is otherwise known as your featured image for the product. Then you can add gallery images, which are additional images. So I will add one additional image. Now I have two images with my product. And next I want to add the most relevant category, so I can search for maybe a chain category if there is none. Then maybe the jewelry category is the next best category for me. And as it relates to product tags are basically keywords relating to what it is that you're selling, and tags basically help us to find your products quicker in searches. So since this product is about Jamaica, I can put Jamaica as one tag. So you enter the tag and you click on it. So Jamaica pendant, I'll put made in Jamaica. I definitely want to use chain and jewelry as a tag. Chain jewelry. Right. And if your product is associated with a brand, you could select it there if your brand is listed, but this item is not associated with a brand, so I won't even bother to list it there. Now, next thing that you want to put in is a short description for your product. A description that can also, fit into search engine results. So try to keep it short. Try not to go over 160 characters. Just keep it as short as possible. Let it be meaningful and short. So I'm going to click Create Product. And when you click Create Product, you will actually get the option to input more product details. So I just created my product. It says pending review, but while it is still pending review, we can still update the information that is here. Alright, so I can see that I have a title. My product type is set to simple. I have my price. Here you see how much you will earn. So when you sell an item on Cartmazing, the price that we focus on, if you have a discounted price, then we focus on the discounted price. So You are selling the item for 820, and based on our commission rate that we'll have with you, we will show you the amount that you earn. So I believe the commission rate with my account that I just set up is 10%. So 10% of $800 would be $80, leaving me with $720 in earnings. Now you can add a product description which is more detailed. You can give all the information as possible that you can give about your product. Put it right here. Let me set these as bullet items. Let me remove the asterisks. Okay, and I'll put a message: this item is made in Jamaica, because I know there are some persons that like to support brand Jamaica, so I want to especially reach those people. Now where it says stock keeping unit, we recommend that you utilize this section. I mean, it is not required, but we recommend utilizing it, and the reason we do is so that you do not get too many orders, more orders than you are able to fulfill. So stock keeping unit is a code that we use to, if you, let's say you have a physical inventory, you have another inventory management system, and each product comes with a code. So that we can keep things consistent across your current system and Cartmazing, we recommend you enter that code that you have for your product right here. However, if not, if you don't have a code, no problem, you can leave it blank for now. Where it says enable product stock management, you want to tick this option, because when you tick this option now, you will be able to, you'll literally be able to indicate how many products you have in stock, and we at Cartmazing won't allow customers to buy more than what you have in stock. So with each sale, let's say each person buys one item, every time one item is bought, the stock quantity count within Cartmazing goes down by 1. So when we hit 0, we know we need to tell customers that 0 products are in stock. So low stock count, I want a low stock count message to be visible whenever I have only 10 items remaining, so I will enter 10 there. This section that says allow only one quantity of this product to be bought in a single order. No, we don't want to enable that. A customer for this item should be able to buy 2, 3, 4 items in one go if they so decide to. Now, as for the weight of this item, I'm actually not sure the weight of this item. However, what I do is I recommend that for each item that you are selling, ensure that you enter the weight. Alright, get a scale, weigh the item, or find the item on an online store and check what it weighs there, and you can use that weight to guide you. So because this item is very light, I'm going to enter a weight of 0.2 pounds. And where it says shipping costs, currently we don't have shipping costs loaded up into Cartmazing, but shipping costs basically allows you to categorize items by their shipping requirement. So you may have, at some point you may come here and you may see the option for large items, small items, items that require refrigeration, and you just need to indicate which one of the classes of shipping that this item falls into. Alright, now this section that says linked products, basically what can happen is that even though I am selling this keychain, I may have other products that are similar to this keychain. So I may have other keychain products. I can come here and load up, I can select my other keychain products and list them here. If I have other products that customers can buy in addition to this keychain, let's say another pendant for example, then I can load them up here as upsells. In terms of attributes are basically additional information about your product. I believe I have captured most of the information that I need to capture already. Okay, there is one other information that I could capture, where it says color. Alright, where it says color, For color, I could input, let me see if color is there. No, if an attribute that you're trying to add is not there, just know that you can go ahead and add it. So I'm going to add an attribute called color, and I'm going to put gold, so gold, and I'm going to put black. Let me confirm that it's gold and black. Yes, it is gold and black. So that's the color of the items. Now, if as you are selling this product, if someone should be able to get a discount when they are buying a certain number, then you want to input it here. So if a person is buying 10 of these chains, I want for them to get an additional 10% discount. No, let me give them 15% discount if they buy 10 items. And visibility now, visibility indicates if your item, if you have any restriction with your item, maybe it should only show up in search results, or it should only show up on your search, on your store listing page. But we want it to be visible across all areas, so let's just keep it there as visible. Should people be able to review this product, you can enable or disable reviews. So once you are done, once you're comfortable with all the information here, you can go ahead and save product. And so we have successfully added our first product to Cartmazing. If we were to go to the products tab, we should see it there. Note however that as you add a product for the first time, or as you add products in general, the products will by default go into a pending review status, as the Cartmazing team will check the product to ensure that the information is accurate and the quality of what you've uploaded is up to par. Alright, if you notice I use an image with a white background and just the product, that's the type of imagery that we like. So many times if you don't upload an imagery that is a very good image of the product, you may get a request from our team asking you to, update the image that you have uploaded. So let's jump over to products and see if our item is now showing. So our item is now listed there. You can see it clearly, and we're able to see that it is in pending review state. Now, our team usually reviews products very quickly, as fast as 24 hours. In many cases, faster than 24 hours. So what you want to do is to just monitor your email, monitor the platform to see when your product is approved, and immediately as it is approved, it will show up within the platform so that persons can make purchases. Now, once your item is approved, you will get an email like this one, basically saying that the product is approved by admin. Alright, and if you were to come and refresh, you will also be able to see that the product has been approved and the product is now visible. It says the product status is now online. It changed from pending to online, and it's now available via the platform so that anyone can go on your store and they will see the item. Anyone can go on your store and immediately they are able to see the item and they are able to purchase this item, right? And if at any point in time you need to come back and make edits to your product, it's very simple, very quick and simple. You just go back to your seller dashboard, go to products, and edit that product, right? And you can go ahead and change any information there at all. If for some reason the product is not available, or you want to take the product offline for some time, you can switch the product status from being online to draft. And the product will no longer be visible for sale on the platform. Thank you again for watching, and please do reach out to us if you have any questions with regard to adding products. In our other videos, we will be showing you how to add products with variations. Maybe you have an item and persons need to be able to select the size and color for that item, or they need to select between other options that are associated with the product. So we will walk you through that process as well.